Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to export the categories in Magento 2. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, here go to your export module. Here I have added a new field that is called the categories. Okay, so for this we are going to export this one. So let's check how this functionality goes on. So let's move to the code level. So here first of all, let me go to my project. We have custom import. Now we have to maintain a etc file that is called export.xml. So I have created export.xml over here. I'm just opening, and here I have added the module category. Okay, so here file format should be CSV. Okay, and this is my model for the categories. And if just I need to go to my models, export, custom export, and just you will see we have to write the function attribute collection name. After this we have the all this dependency injection. After this export, we have to prepare the entity collection and get writer, set the header columns. This by this method we are going to get all the columns, export collection by pages, and get contents. Here we have export item, get entity type entity, get header columns, and get entity collection. So basically these kind of functions you will get to know about in the vendor folder, or if you google it you will get to know that these fields are important. I have just placed my logic for the category and catalog category entity type code to fetch all the categories and their columns and just write it in the CSV file. Okay, if I go to my this one, if I go to export categories, and this all the things that are coming. So what do you want, which field you want to exclude? So you can exclude the fields all children, this exclude this all features, custom layout update, default display mode, layered navigation, include navigation. So you can exclude this and continue with this. So it says message will be added in the queue. Just run this command. It will just paste it, run it, and you will see new category with the images there. If I go and download this, it will say you don't have the permissions. Okay, so let's add the permission. Correct. Reload this, and if I go and download, it is downloading now, and just open it. Okay, so see, we have the custom image that we are using, right? Now you can see all the images there, active path, URL key, URL path, page layout. So this is how we can export the categories in Magento 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.